heating and dehumidifier problems. We have given mass of air is equals to 2.5 kilogram per second and delta enthalpy which is 6 kilojoules per kilogram. So, ito yung this ang Q. So, natin solution mo. Q is equals to mass of air times delta H. So, natin input ng mga values. So, natin Q is equals to 2.5 kg per second times 6 kilojoules per kilogram. So, cancel out niya. It's kilogram air. So, natin mabilin mo. Q is equals to 15 kilowatts. So, next problem. We have given a temperature of 35 degrees C and specific humidity or humidity ratio na 0.01. So, ito required is enthalpy. So, natin solution na. Enthalpy is equals to Cp times T plus humidity ratio times 2,500 plus 1.88 times T. So, ito yung input ng values. Ganun tayo H is equals to 1.005 times 35 plus 0.01 times 2,500 plus 1.88 times 35. Natay enthalpy mo 60.84 kilojoules per kilogram.